Hey guys, I thought I'd show you my new favorite toy today. It's a massage tool called a Jade roller, and I've been using it a lot. It's gifted to me, and I went on a little course about how to use it really well. Now I've been using it for all my facial treatments, and I use it with the ear candling, sinus drainage techniques, and I've been using it on myself, and it's absolutely lovely. And I wanted to show you how to use it in case you want to get one yourself. And it's really good for kind of drainage of the lymph in the face, so it reduces puffiness, reduces tiredness. It's really good if you've got any sort of nerve damage in your face. I've actually got nerve damage in this cheek because I broke my my cheekbone 17 years ago, I can't remember, lots of years ago, and I'm actually put together with metal plates, 2 metal plates here and 2 metal plates here, holding my face together, and it's kind of like this side of the face is sort of drooping a little bit, so it's really good for that, waking up all the cells in the face. And you can also use it for like fine lines and kind of getting into the tension in the jaw. So if you suffer from headaches, migraine, neck strain, you'll probably find quite a lot of tension in your cheeks and your jaw. So I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, you want to have a nice kind of cleansed face, and put a little bit of nice oil on, treat yourself. And then, so what we first do is we use the big side of the roller and we just roll up. Now I like to push to the opposite side rather than going with this hand. I'll go on the opposite side, pushing from the chin up the jawline towards the ear. And then I do the same all the way on this side. There we go. Doing that, and you can put some really nice special oils on if you want to. And that's how to do it, by pressing up. And then we do the other side, and you can press as hard as you want. You'll feel how it feels over the top of the lip, the cheek, and out towards the ear. And then you can use this big one to press up, getting rid of your worry lines from the kind of bridge of the nose up to the hairline. And you can also do out to the sides. Again, I press to the opposite side, pressing out. And then I do the other side like this. And here comes my cat to scratch her post while I'm making my YouTube video, of course. And then what I would do is use this little edge to get into the temples and the fine lines. It's not like I'm going to transform my face into the face of a 20-year-old. But I can just make it look healthier. I'm not really into doing things to change, to make myself look younger, because I'm absolutely happy looking the age I am. But I am into radiance, body and mind radiance. So you can use this little one to kind of go around the bones. There's so many energy points around the bones of the face. Energy gets stuck. So we go around there. And we can also do the fine lines in between the eyebrows and up into the forehead with this little one. And we do the same. You can do a nice massage into the temples. We can do the sides of the eyes. We can do around the eyebrow bones, inside and outside of those bones. Just where you would do a normal massage, really. I like to do face massage. I do a deluxe luxury rejuvenating face massage where we do lots and lots of energy points in the face, as well as myofascial release in the face. And this just means that I have to do much less work around the nose, on the lip. So much fun. And then you can do the evil work into the jaw. Now usually there's a lot of tension here. So we kind of dig into those areas. You can have a little dig, find out where your areas are. Have a little dig. Oh yeah. And the other side, having a little dig in there. And then you can also do a little bit of stroking up the neck as well. Up the chin towards the jawbone. And that is my face rolling, and you can do this every day. And if you want me to do it for you as part of a treatment, get in touch. My new best friend, the Jade roller. And what's really good about this is, as well, you can put it in the freezer. So if you wake up really tired and puffy, you just get the cold roller on you. And if you have oil, it's just a lovely treatment. Really, you can do whatever you want with this. Just have fun, play. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and all of the things that you're supposed to do. Thank you guys. Enjoy.